Welcome back, everybody, to Everyday A&P. Today, we're going to be covering the overall general theme of mitosis. We want to cover a little bit about the particular steps and what mitosis is. So before we get started, if everyone could please like and subscribe to the channel, that way we can continue doing the work that we do and helping you guys out when it comes to learning these different concepts of science. So let's get right into it. Mitosis. What is mitosis? Well, to start off, right, it's a process, right? It is a process. What type of process is it? We have cell replication. Cell replication. And it replicates chromosomes. It replicates chromosomes and then segregates them, where at the end of the cycle, we have two identical cells. Two identical cells. And that is something really important that we need to keep in mind, because that is, at the end of mitosis, right, we are generally, it's followed by equal division of the cells, and we have two daughter cells from one parent cell. So if we were to put this in this diagram, this right here would be our parent cell, and these cells right here would be our daughter cells. Daughter cells. So let's talk a little bit more about the different phases of mitosis. When we look at mitosis, we have four specific phases. The first phase that we want to cover is called prophase. Prophase. Phase number one. We'll go a little more in depth about what each phase is and what happens in this phase. So in prophase, what we have is that the chromosomes are going to condense, right? We have chromosomes that condense, they become visible. Chromosomes are visible. And the nuclear envelope breaks down, which allows us to actually see these chromosomes, right? And in the future, we're going to make future videos dedicated to each specific phase, but we just want to give a quick little overview of what these different phases are. Our second phase is going to be metaphase. Metaphase. Now what happens here is that chromosomes are going to meet in the middle. Chromosomes meet in the middle. And that's an easy way to remember metaphase when we're looking at a diagram, that chromosomes in metaphase meet in the middle. So a lot of M's over there. Our third phase, right? Our third phase, we have anaphase. Anaphase. And what happens in anaphase is that we have the chromosomes are swimming to the opposite ends of the cell. They're being pulled towards opposite ends. So they're pulled to opposite ends of the cell. And lastly, we have phase number 4, which is called telophase. Telophase. And in telophase, what we're doing is basically the opposite of what happened in prophase, right? So now our chromosomes are going to arrive and they're going to decondense. Our nuclear envelope is going to build back up again, and we're going to look more like a specific individual cell. So it's not exact, but it's close to opposite of prophase. So we just wanted to give a quick introduction to what mitosis is and break down the 4 different steps that take place in mitosis that we will encounter. So remember, mitosis is a process of cell replication where we are including chromosomes here, and at the end we have two identical daughter cells that come from one parent cell, and it has 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Alrighty, that is all we want to cover for today. Please continue liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video, everybody. Take it easy. Goodbye.